Claude is amazing. Do you know that Claude just launched these dispatch functions in the Claude Cowork? So basically what it means is that you can use your mobile phone as long as it's connected, both are signed in the same Claude version, same user ID. Then you're able to use your mobile app to instruct the Cowork at your laptop or your desktop in order to execute something for you. So I'm just going to share you guys a little bit an idea. So basically, this is a mini clip that I did in order to I instructed at my mobile app in Claude to help me to do the engagement. So this is what I did. And then after that, it will actually ask for my permissions in order to use the browser control and etc. and to give permissions, which I allowed. And then after that, Claude is just going to go through my entire, my browser in my laptop in order to do the task for me. And whenever they've done it, they were just actually going to update me and everything. And you can actually instruct the Claude to do anything as you like. So basically, this Claude Cowork dispatch functions basically is on top of the schedule functions. So the schedule is where you are able to schedule the same time of every day of the every week in order to do the same task for you. Where dispatch is just like maybe you've just forgot something. We are at gym outside and you want to do you're going out, but you want to execute something at your laptop. Just like you are instructing your staff to do something for you. So this is definitely like a killer. You know what? After I just tested it, I just used up my tokens like before the time that I need to refresh, wait it to refresh. So it's pretty amazing. It's pretty awesome. So if let's say you have not tried the dispatch function in Claude Cowork, you should definitely do that. And it's pretty simple, just to make sure that you both are connected to the same Claude account. And then you just try to use your mobile app to instruct Cowork to do the thing for you. And I hope that this video finds you well. And if let's say you've been enjoying all these different Claude Perplexity videos from me, remember to comment and like below and how you're using your Cowork for. I'm using it to actually kind of like use for marketing purpose, like writing organic marketing purpose, as well as like before I post any articles. I use Cowork to do like engagement for me, both in LinkedIn as well as in my Facebook. And I'm just testing out so many different workflows. And in fact, right now I'm actually using the Claude together with Visual Studio, where when I find time, I'm just going to do a video later on. So if let's say you want to make sure that you catch that video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As well as if let's say you've been using Facebook in order to get automate leads generation, manage different Facebook groups, and you want to script the user, meaning all your members, their questions and answers in the Facebook group, be sure to check out all of my Facebook automation software tools over here, and also go high level as well at the very, very promotion price at junlo.net/all software. And I see you guys in the next video then. Take care. Bye-bye.